How to reset Windows 11 without losing your apps, files, and settings. Hello, today, we are going to look at how you can reset Windows 11 without losing your apps, files, and settings. This is carried out to get rid of issues such as system slowdowns, errors, or simply wanting a fresh window installation without losing your apps, files, and settings. Resetting can be an effective troubleshooting step. It ensures that you don't lose your data, which is very crucial. Therefore, this video will show you a walk through the steps to reset Windows 11 without losing your important files, apps, and settings. When it comes to resetting Windows 11, Microsoft provides a built-in feature called Reset This PC, which gives you the option to keep your personal files, remove all apps and settings, or perform a complete factory reset. To reset Windows 11 without losing your data, follow these steps.
Let's get started.
1. Click on the Windows icon in the taskbar or press Win+L on the keyboard. Select Settings. 2. Select Update and Security and choose the Recovery tab in the left-hand menu.
3. Under the Recovery section, you will find the option to reset this PC. Click on the Get Started button. 4. You will be presented with two options: Keep My Files and Remove Everything. Select Keep My Files to ensure your personal files are not deleted. But if you want to remove everything, you can choose the option Remove Everything. 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset process. Windows will guide you through the rest of the steps, which may include restarting your computer. 6. The reset process may take some time, depending on the speed of your computer and the amount of data you have. Be patient and allow Windows to complete the reset.
7. After the reset is complete, you may need to reconfigure some settings and reinstall certain apps. Your personal files, however, should remain intact.
By following these steps, you can reset Windows 11 without losing your apps, files, and settings, giving your system a fresh start while preserving your important data. However, it is always a good idea to back up your important files before performing any system reset, just in case. Remember that if you choose the Remove Everything option instead of Keep My Files, all your apps and settings will be removed, and your files will be deleted. So, it is crucial to select the right option based on your needs to ensure a smooth reset process without any data loss. In conclusion, resetting Windows 11 can be a beneficial solution to various system issues, and by following the steps outlined above, you can ensure that your files are protected during the process. Do not hesitate to reset your PC when needed, knowing that your data is safe.
Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please click subscribe or like our channel for more videos.